Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to log out of all devices on Battle.net. So are you concerned about your Battle.net account security? So whether you've used a shared computer, lost a device, or just want to ensure your account is safe, logging out of all devices is a smart move, a really smart move. So let's walk you through the steps to log out of all devices on Battle.net. The first step that you like to take is to start by visiting battle.net and logging into your account using your current account credentials. So once you log in and it takes you to this window where you call the home page, go ahead and click on your profile name in the top right corner, and you can see a drop down displayed. You have account settings, wish list, my gifts, redeem code, change battle tag, you have logout. So just go ahead and click on account settings, and that's going to walk you right into the account settings window. In the account settings window, head over to the left hand navigation menu, and you're going to find a couple of more options here: account overview, account details, games and subscriptions, parental controls, security, privacy and communication connections, payment method, transaction history. So just go ahead and click on security, and that's going to take you here. So you can, of course, change your current password. And once you choose to change your current password by clicking on update, this action will log out all devices connected to your account. But there's a way that you can do it directly, because Battle.net has provided that direct log out of all devices option. Just scroll the way down and you have recent login activity. So go ahead and click this, log out from all devices. And once you click that, just follow through the prompts, and Battle.net is being logged out of all devices. All devices. Now, for added security, you can consider enabling the Battle.net Authenticator. Come over here to the Battle.net Authenticator option and click on Attach Authenticator. Then you'll be prompted to download the Battle.net mobile app on your device. Log into your Battle.net credentials and tap on Authenticator and follow the prompts to set it up. That's it. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.